All right. So next stuff we have in utilities is deprecated. Now, just understand what is exactly deprecated. So we have rotation, right? And we have align rotation to vector, align Euler to vector, all that nodes. We have few nodes which is align Euler to vector and rotate Euler. So this two nodes is actually like technically discontinued, but a few users were requesting that we need these nodes back, and that's why it is kept in deprecated section, which means like this is it is like disapproved by Blender because they don't want to continue with this node because we have much better options in our utilities rotations, right? But what it does is align Euler to vector is just it's just going to do aligning the Eulers to the vectors, right? So vector is xyz as I explained you earlier, and it is just going to align that Euler axis to the vector, and we get different options like aligning with x, y, or z, and change the pivot to x, y, and z, and that way it gets aligned. I don't use that much, but again, maybe if it is helpful for you, you can use it. Another deprecated node we have is rotate Euler. So we can directly rotate our Eulers on x, y, and z, and we can also rotate it on global or local, so object space or local space. We can also change the axis angle or Euler angle. Depends on whatever you want to create. Again, as I said, I don't use deprecated that much because it is discontinued. I directly like to use rotations, right? So yeah, pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe to channel so you don't miss the next part.